What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's PimpDaddy28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo video of a 200-gram cake called Mic Drop by Pyro Demon. This is a 12-shot cake, and ironically enough, the person pictured in here who's getting punched is actually called Mike. At least that's what his name tag says. All right, we got a barcode scanner here if you guys want to see the product video on the Pyro Demon website. And the forms description is somewhere over here. All right, so we got gold tail to gold willow with blue stars, gold willow with silver strobes, gold willow with red strobes, finale with gold willow with red, silver, and blue stars. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what you think. All right, we got Mic Drop by Pyro Demon. Damn! God! That was a very good cake. That was a very, what?
Further back, or is that good?
Further back. I say further back.